myself Vanshroda. I am pursuing BTech CSE with AI and Data Engineering from Lovely Professional University. I am here to discuss my new project, song playlist created by Doubly linked list. So before moving towards the project, what is a doubly linked list? A doubly linked list is a data structure that consists of a set of nodes, each of which contains a value and two pointers, one pointing to the previous node and the other pointing to the next node. This allows for efficient transversal of the list in the both directions, making it suitable for application where frequent insertion and deletions are required. So at the first it is the head, and at the last it is the tail. So tail is directing to the null and first is directing to the null. So it has both arrows because we can do insertion from first end and the last end. We can do similar way we can do deletion at first end and the last end. So highlights of the project: some playlists by using doubly linked list are doubly linked list for playlist. I added a few options like addition, remove, navigate between songs. I also created Tickenter based GUI which has an user interface with text field and button for playlist control. I added background image by using pillow library for visual appearance. I also added the song image display which display a song related image for some songs like an album cover. Input validation: it ensures input duration is numeric, providing feedback for invalid input. User feedback, in which message is shown for added and removed song and also for the playlist navigation. The another one is custom ethics. Style buttons and the entry fields are also created for the modern look. Modular code: separate classes for playlist logic and GUI for organized code. The other one is scalar design. Its design is easy to scale and like media playback or playlist saving. Now moving towards the code of song playlist. So starting the code of song playlist, first of all we have to import the libraries such as Tickenter and Pillow because we have to create a GUI application. So first of all import the Tickenter. After that import Pillow. Then image tk. After that initialize the class. Let's take the example song node. Now initialize the functions. Self, then title, then artist of the song and the duration. After that self dot title is title, then self dot artist is artist. After that self dot duration is equal to duration. Then create another one, self dot previous. We have to go previous, then set to none. Another is self dot next is equal none. Then create the another class such as song playlist. After that initialize it. That self dot head because it is a double linked list. None. Then self dot tail also set to none. then self dot current is also set to none. Then also define another one, define add song self, then title, then artist, duration, new song, new song, then song node, title, artist, duration. After that, if no, then self dot head, then assigning self dot head is equal to new song, then self dot tail is also to new song. After that, setting the current pointer, current is also set to new song. After that, else, then self dot tail to next, sending pointer to next new song, then new song dot previous, going the song to previous, and self dot tail. After that, adding this self dot tail in new song, then return, then let add added song along with the title by artist, then another define now remove song self, then title. We can also remove the song by only by the title, then current, self dot head, then assigning while condition, applying the condition while current, if current title is strictly equal to the title, then after that, applying another condition, current dot previous, then current previous next equal to the pointing to the current dot next, then after that else, that self dot head is equal to pointing to the current dot next, current dot next, then applying another condition, that if current dot next is equal current dot next, then colon current dot next dot previous is equal to current dot previous. After that, else self dot tail is equal to current dot previous, then another if current is strictly equal to self dot current, then self dot current is equal to the current dot next. If another condition, if current dot next else current dot previous. After that, del current, then return a removed song along with the title, then current is equal to current dot next. After that, return statement, return f song not found. It will mention that this song is not found or invalid. Then song title. Now initializing the another one, def play next, then self, same position, then condition, self dot current is and the is equal to and self dot current is, then current, after that self dot current next, then applying the return statement, return self dot play current, then applying else, return no next song in the playlist. After that, applying def another time, play and previous, initializing previously, then self, then if self dot current and self dot current dot previous. Then self dot current is equal to self dot current dot new previous. After that, return previous, return self play current. Then providing else statement, else return no previous song in the playlist. Then providing another defining the function def play current and self, same procedure. If self dot current, then this, after that providing return statement, return f dwelling self dot current title dot title, then by self dot current dot artist, then self dot current dot duration, then main. That's it. After that then providing else statement, that else, after that return playlist is empty, then define display the playlist feature, playlist dot self, if not self dot head, then return that the playlist is empty, the playlist is empty. Then after that adding songs, then creating current self dot head, while providing another condition, that while current songs appending the songs, and providing, and then current title by current artist, after that current duration, it will be in curly brackets, after that main, then current is equal to current dot next, then providing return statement, return, then dot join songs, after that initializing another class, at class playlist GUI, now creating the GUI, dev initializing, after that self, then root self dot playlist is equal to song play list, song playlist, then self dot root, initialize the self dot root is equal to root, then self dot root dot title, then printing song playlist, after that loading the image and setting the image, load and set the background image of the GUI, self dot background and image, after that then equal to image dot open, I want to open the image having the path is, so this is the path of the image and I want to open this, after that the another self dot background image is equal to self dot background image resize, setting the size, then is I want 800 and 800 600, then image dot lens pause, after that setting background image, bg image is image tk, a photo image, then self dot background image, after that setting background label bg label, we want to tk dot label, then root image equal to self not bg image, after that self not bg label, then place x-axis is equal to 0 and y-axis is equal to 0 and rel width is 1, then relevant height is also 1, then creating a frame with no background color set, so setting self dot frame tk dot frame, then root then pad x is equal to 10 and pad y is equal to 10 and highlight thickness is equal to 0. Then I want BD also is equal to 0. Then after that self dot frame dot place is lx is equal to 0.5. then rel y is equal to 0.5 and I want anchor, that is center, anchor center. After that title entry, self dot title label as tk dot label, then self dot frame, I want text is equal to title, then background color is black, and font would be, font is Arial, then size is 12 having bold, then self dot title label dot grade is row is equal to 0, then column is equal to 0, pad x is equal to 5, then sticky is equal to W. After that self dot title dot entry is equal to tk dot entry, then self dot frame and BD is equal to 0, and I want highlight thickness, highlight thickness is equal to 0, background color is also gray, background color is light gray, then self dot title dot entry is equal to dot grid row is equal to 1 and column is equal to 1 and pad y is 5. After that same is for artist entry, changing to artist, label. I want a ticket label, that's it. uh, Texas artist, then black Arial, bold, and entry artist. After that, say artist. Other will remain same as it is. Then duration entry, duration, duration in minutes. Then same real time load. This will be in row in I want to product sticky duration entry same thickness right here. After that, image area self is equal to image or label tk dot label, then self dot name, width will be 200 and height is 150. Then self image label grid row is equal to 3, then column is equal to 0, and it will span on column wise on 2, and pad y is equal to 10. Then load the another image if you want to add. Load the image you want to display. Then self song image, image open. The file path of the image is this. Then self song dot image is equal to self dot song, then image and resize size is to 200, then 150. After that image line source self song photo image, and self. After that, song image, then setting the image to the label, set the image to the label, then self dot image on label not configure, image is equal to self dot song, self dot photo. After that, creating buttons, button background color is light green, then self dot add button, tk button and self dot frame, adding text. The text I want on the button is add song, then background color, then button dot bg, then command will be self dot add song. Then the is equal to tk flat self dot add button dot grade will be row is equal to 4 and column will be 0 while pad y is 5. After that, doing same from the other buttons, self dot remove button, take a button and remove song, then command will be remove song, and the same, and this column would be 1. Then another feature is play current button, current button, and this will be play current. After that, the button this will be column number 0, then play next button, Going to play next. Say try play next. Then again, then adding another one, play previous button, and which will act as a previous play. After that, self display. Then another one is for output box, self dot output dot text, tk dot text, then self dot frame. The height would be is equal to 10 and width is 50. BD is equal to 0 and highlight thickness would be 0. BG is light gray. Then self output text dot grid row is equal to 7 and column n is equal to 0. Column would be 0 and it will column span over 2 columns. Then pad y is 10. After that, define another one. Define add song self title is equal to self dot title dot entry dot get same for artist. Then another one is duration. Then adding try feature, try duration is float then message dot playlist then add song title artist and duration. So the further code will be that self.message is message, self.clear entries, and getting another condition that except value error, self.show message duration must be a number. If you have to put a alphabet, so it will be shown an error. The condition would be an number. So the another define is remove song, which would be title, message, show message, clear entries, same as for another, which will be play current music, play next music, play previous music, and also display the playlist. It will also display the show message, clear entities, and also the another artist entries. Now run this GUI. Start debugging. Song playlist. There are a few problems. So resolve the all the errors. Now run again. So this is the interface. So let's suppose the title of the song is Shape of You, and the artist A will be Ed Sheeran. Duration of the song, let's suppose it of 5 minutes. It will be added in the list. So duration must be a number. So deduct, um, after that add a song. So shape of you will be added. So let's play the current. So shape of you is playing currently. Now add again. Let's suppose Billy Jean. The artist of the song is Michael Jackson. The duration will be 4.54 minutes. Added in the list. If we want to display the list, then click on the display playlist. So these both songs are displayed in the display playlist. If we want to play the previous, so shape of view will play the previous one. So currently there is no previous song playing. Now add the another one, Hotel California. The artist is Eagles. Duration will be 6.3 minutes. This song also will be added. Then if I want to remove a song, so remove a song, so this song will be removed. So the play current song is Shape of You, is Ed Sheeran, is of 5 minutes. If I want to display the playlist now, so now click on the display playlist. So Shape of You, Billie Jean and the Hotel California is in the display playlist. Now click on the play previous, so no previous song in the playlist. So this is the interface of the song playlist created by Doubly, lovely linked list. Thank you.